Hello friends, my name is Stuti. In the last video, we have discussed about Boolean algebra. In this video, we will going to see what are Boolean algebraic operations. As we know, there are three operations that are AND operation, OR operation and NOT operation. So, starting with the AND operation. Here, the first point is written as in the AND operation, it is represented by dot or absence of operator. Dot means it is represented at A dot B, or absence we can say that A B, only like this. In the next point is the result of AND operation is 1 only if all the variables are 1. We will discuss this point after this truth table. Let's see. Okay, suppose we are considering over here two variables A and B, and as we know that these are Boolean algebraic operations. Boolean means two values 0 and 1. So we will be taking the combinations of 0 and 1. What will be the combination? First case will be 0 0, then what it can be 0 1, then 1 0 1 1. These are the four possible cases if we are having two variables. If we are having two variables, then these are the four possible cases. Now we can see the result of this. And as per the AND operation, 0 into 0. 0 and 0 is 0. 0 and 1 is 0. 1 and 0 is 0. 1 and 1 is 1. This is the truth table for AND operation. So we can see the second point is verified over here, that the result of AND operation is 1 only if all the variables are 1. All the variables are 1. Suppose we have taken two variable function over here. So we are saying that all the variables are 1. If suppose there are three variables A, B and C. So in that all A, B and C need to be 1 so that the result is 1. Now coming to the second operation, that is OR operation. It is represented by plus sign A plus B. Okay. Now the second point is the result of OR operation is 1 when either of the variables are 1 or all are 1. Means let's see from the truth table. What? Let's write all the four combinations which we have already written earlier. Now, here it is saying that 0 0 0. Either or should be 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 1 1. So what it is saying that the output will be 1 when either of the variable is 1. Either A is 1 or B is 1 or all are 1. Means A and B both are 1. Same goes with the 3 variable and 4 variable. Now let's come to the third operation, that is the NOT operation. Now first point is it is represented by bar on top of the variable. On top of the variable like this, or a prime. Prime means it can also be represented as this prime. Now the second point is it is a unary operator. Simple, single variable is there. Unary means single variable is there. The result is always a complement of the variable. Always a complement of the variable here means as it is a unary operator, so we have only one variable. One variable, if suppose the variable is 0, the result will be 1. And if the variable is 1, then result will be the 0. That's it. This is the truth table for NOT operation. Okay, now with all these three things, we are done with the Boolean algebraic operation. But one point which I need to discuss is that about the truth table. We have seen here the examples of two variable truth table. If we are taking the 3 variable, then we will going to have 8 combinations. When there are 2 variables, there were 4 combinations. When there were 8 variables, then when there are 3 variables, then there are 8 combinations. So, if there are n variables, the combinations will be 2 raised to the power n for the truth table. So, that's all for this video. We will see other topics, other laws related to Boolean algebra in the next video. Thank you.